Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to set your time on your Casio W86. So this model is similar to the Casio F91W and also to the metallic one, which is the Casio A163W. So this tutorial will work on any of those watches. So here on the left side we have the mode function and also the light. We will click the button with the mode function and you can see we can set now the alarm. We can now use the chrono function, and if we press it for the third time we will be able to set the time. Now if we use the button on the top left corner, if we press it once you will be able to set the hour. As we can see now we have PM, and if we go past 12 once again we will have AM. So let's make it 10. And now if we want to go to the minutes, we will press the top left corner once again, and using the right button you will be able to go one by one. And if you want to go a lot faster, let's say we want to go to 50, we press and hold and you can see it moves a lot faster. Now you can also see the seconds, so it will go past 60 and now it's 47, and let's make it 10:50. So if you only want to set the time, you press the mode once again and you are all set. So as mentioned, this tutorial will work on various Casio models. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow along as we will be posting a lot more videos soon. Also, please make sure to check our website vintageradar.com, where we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys and see you next time.